Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Are you ready to explore the world on three wheels with a compact, lightweight, and efficient camper? The 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is here to redefine adventure, making road trips easier, more sustainable, and more fun than ever before. The 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. It features a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum alloy frame, making it easy to pedal while still being durable enough to support the attached camper unit. The tricycle comes with 3 thick, puncture-resistant tires, perfect for city streets and off-road trails alike. Plus, it has a sleek, modern aesthetic with built-in reflectors and LED lights for safety. But the real star is the foldable camper. The compact unit sits at the back, looking like a simple cargo box when folded. However, within minutes, it transforms into a functional living space with a pop-up tent, a sleeping area, and even basic storage compartments. 1. Unlock the foldable frame and extend it outward. 2. Release the built-in tent, which automatically pops up. 3. Secure the tent poles and unfold the sleeping mat inside. And just like that, you have a mini home on wheels. The tent fabric is made of waterproof and wind-resistant material, ensuring protection from the elements. It's also equipped with mesh windows for ventilation and a zippered entrance for privacy. The sleeping space comfortably accommodates one person, but some models even allow for an optional extension, making room for 2. Despite its compact size, this camper tricycle is packed with thoughtful features. It includes a small fold-out table for eating or working on the go, a built-in solar panel on the camper's roof to charge your devices, USB charging ports for phones, tablets, or even small LED lights, insulated compartments to store food and drinks. There's even an option to add a portable stove and a mini foldable chair, making your outdoor adventures more comfortable. Whether you're camping by a lake, in a forest, or in the middle of the city, this tricycle camper has you covered. Now, let's talk about how it rides. The 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is designed with an electric assist feature, meaning you don't have to rely solely on pedaling. The battery-powered motor helps you cruise effortlessly, especially when going uphill or covering long distances. The battery has a range of up to 50 miles per charge, making it perfect for weekend getaways. You can recharge it using a standard outlet or rely on the solar panel for slow but continuous charging while on the move. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability through narrow streets and bike lanes, something traditional campers just can't do. Plus, parking is never an issue. You can simply lock it up like a regular bike or bring it inside a garage or balcony. Solo adventurers looking for an affordable way to explore. Urban dwellers who want a compact camping option. Eco-conscious travelers who prefer a sustainable way to camp. Cyclists who want an all-in-one travel solution without relying on a car. It's also great for those who love minimalist travel, as it eliminates the need for gas, insurance, and parking fees associated with traditional camper vans or RVs. With its futuristic design and practical features, you might expect a hefty price tag. But the 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is surprisingly affordable compared to traditional campers. Prices start at around $2,500, making it accessible to many adventure seekers. It's available through online retailers, specialized bike shops, and direct from manufacturers who offer customization options. Some brands even provide financing plans, so you can hit the road without breaking the bank. The 2025 Mini Folding Tent Camper Tricycle is a game-changer for camping and travel enthusiasts. It combines the best of biking and camping into one compact, eco-friendly package. So, whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or just a weekend getaway, this little tricycle camper might be the perfect companion. Would you take this on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting innovations in travel and outdoor gear. ChatGPT